Zimbabwe businessman and socialite Ginimbi Kadungure passed away in a car crash. Zimbabwean socialite and businessman Genius Kadungure, commonly known as Ginimbi, passed away instantly in a freak road accident in the early hours of Sunday. 3 other people, including a model and fitness trainer, also go to heaven in the accident. The 36-year-old had been driving his R5 Rolls-Royce Wraith, which collided head-on with 3 other vehicles. The speeding Rolls-Royce veered off the road and hit a tree before going up in flames, according to an eyewitness. Danny Kawanga told police that with the help of 3 unidentified men, Ginimbi's body was pulled away from the burning car, but 3 passengers were trapped and consumed by the flames. The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed the fatality. The Zimbabwe Republic Police would like to confirm the fatality of 4 people that included Genius Kadungure in a fatal road traffic accident along Borrowdale Road. 3 people were burnt when the vehicle caught fire after it clashed with a Honda Fit head-on as the driver overtook another car near Philadelphia, said police spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyathi. 2 of those burned to death were identified as Alicia Adams, a model, and a fitness trainer, Michelle Mona Emily. The group was reportedly coming from Ginimbi's nightclub, Dreams, a prime spot in the capital of Harare. He had earlier posted on his Instagram account that they were going to party up a storm. "Guys, it's time to go out. It's gonna be going down. We're going to Dreams in the next few minutes. It's gonna be going down. It's Mona's birthday. We're going to pop the champagne. It's gonna be champagne showers tonight. See you there," he told his 600,000+ followers. Ginimbi was known for his lavish birthday parties held annually at any chosen destination in southern Africa. His last birthday bash in Harare reportedly cost United States $50,000, likely $900,000. He had business interests in gas and petroleum. However, his lifestyle drew the attention of many because of his acquisition of supercars. His latest being a Ferrari 488 Spider to join other cars such as Range Rovers, a Lamborghini, a Bentley, and a host of Mercedes-Benzes, the most prominent one being a G-Wagon.